Guys, welcome to my channel The Style Fling. Today I'm going to show you a very simple makeup look. When you're hush you don't have time but you need to look good. It either can be when you're going out with your friends and it's a last minute outing, or you're going to your office and you're already late but you don't have time. And also without using any brush you can achieve this look. Yes, this look without using any sort of brush. Please watch this video till the end to know how I did this look. And if you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the MAC Strobe cream. Just take a little portion of it. This much. Apply it all over face. A little bit on the neck also. The next thing that we'll use is a concealer. This one, the Benefit Concealer. It's a Benefit Concealer. It's a cream-based concealer. It's very easy for the application. It's very easy with the application. Just do. Take this much amount on this finger. Just apply all over your under eye. Just dab it, don't rub it, okay? Dab it all over your under eye. Like this. The same with the other eye. Put it on the upper eyelids also, because I think that looks weird when one puts concealer under the eye, not the upper eyelid. Just for the color correction. It looks the same. It should not look awkward. It should not look weird, Same for this eye. Little bit till here. Okay, so we'll put another little. Okay. And after doing the under eye, just dab it nicely. Put it all over face, wherever you feel it's a little pigmented or you have little spots and you want to hide it. Just put it there. Take a bit. Okay, so I mostly put onto my nose. It goes a little red on the side of my nose. And wherever I have little spots, these spots, just do it like this. Just dab it. Okay, just dab it. And also the same thing you should do on your nose. Just rub a little here. Wherever you feel you have discoloration or pigment, or you want to just hide that spot, Now see. It works magic, guys. This Benefit concealer is so good. So very nice. Yeah, you're done. You're done with the concealer. You don't need any brush. You can do it with your hand also. Do it with your hands also. Now to set it, use a compact. I think when you're in a hurry up, it's nice to use a compact. So I'm using this one from Bobbi Brown. You can use any compact from Maybelline, Colorbar, MAC, or this one. It's important to set your under eye, okay? Now you are set. Your base is totally set. As you can see, you can't make out that I haven't put on foundation or I haven't used a brush. And it's really nice when you're on the go and you don't have time. And if you think you have a much dark under eyes, you can use another layer on your eyes. Use for that. Just use another layer on under eye. And you're done. You're done with your base, guys. Now it looks so fresh. So now it's the turn of your eyebrows. It's an important step, okay? You should make your eyebrows when you go out, okay? It's very simple. Just see the difference, this eyebrow and this one. Just makes a difference on your face, guys. It just changes your look. Take the other part of the eyebrow, sorry, not the eyebrow, the eyebrow pencil, and just brush it. Brush it. And this is the Bobbi Brown one. Next part for the eyes is the mascara. Very important. And you can do with the kajal also if you don't want to put mascara. I think mascara is really nice. You should put on. It just opens up your eyes, makes you look more flattering. So now we're gonna use this blush. It's my favorite part in the makeup, guys. It's just makes you look very nice. So the one I'm gonna use is the Bobbi brown one. This one. It's a cream blush in powder pink. You can use it for both lips and cheeks. It looks like this. Just too good. Too good. So we're gonna take a little and then use it. Just smile. And just rub it on your cheeks. Smile. Okay. Take a bit more. I do it till the end, you know, till here. It just makes look full. Here also, till here, till the end. Just be a little careful that you don't use very much blush. I always do that. And a little bit put like this on your nose also. Yeah. So, wow. Just looks too good, isn't it? You don't need a highlighter, you know. Just use a cream blush or a tint from Benefit. These products are really nice, you know. Cream blush can be of any brand. You don't need a brush to use this. Point. And now we'll go on to the last thing, that's a lip color. So we're gonna use this one, the Bobbi brown one, which is in the shade Baby. Guys, it's their crushed lip color. It's really nice. It's a cream base. It's not matte. It's cream based and it's very moisturizing. You know, in daily wear, you should not. I think every day to use a matte base lipstick is a bit harsh to your lips. That's what I feel. Otherwise, it's totally on you. You like it, then you use it. So today, when you rush, you know, you need to sit down, you know, do a little in matte. You need to use a lip liner, you know. But in this crease one, it's totally fine to not use a lip liner when you hurry. And it looks really nice. That's it. And you're done with your makeup. Just using this much product without using brush, you can still look good.